In today's busy schedule, you give 100% to your work and your family needs. Then why not give the same focus and aim to secure your financial future? Introducing the Mirae Asset Focused Fund, an open-ended equity scheme investing in a maximum of 30 stocks intending to focus on large cap, mid cap and small cap categories. Let's understand the strategy for this fund. It seeks to identify and invest in high conviction stocks not exceeding 30 and aims for optimum weight allocation. Say in a game of cricket, to create the best team. The management, selection committee and captain would look at players who not only have great potential but the temperament to perform in high pressure situations. Similarly, the fund manager, after carefully analyzing and monitoring, identifies and selects high conviction stocks that have the potential for delivery over the long term. In the bowling department, we have strike pacers, medium pacers and spinners. But not all overs can be bowled by pacers alone. At the same time, not all bowlers may get to bowl the same number of overs. Depending on the form of the players and the strategy, the captain decides the optimum weight allocation for best results. Similarly, the focused fund has a carefully selected portfolio of 30 stocks as per the investment strategy to maximize the potential for wealth generation. Here is how we at Mirae Asset Mutual Fund aim to approach this fund. We present a portfolio limited to a maximum of 30 stocks. We look to identify future stocks with a flexible multi-cap investment strategy with stocks across market capitalizations, namely large, mid and small. We seek to build a portfolio of potential growth companies with staunch management and thought leadership. We aim to create a robust portfolio that avoids concentration risk and liquidity risk. Bring the focus to the Mirae Asset Focused Fund in your portfolio. Contact your financial advisor now or visit www.miraeassetmf.co.in. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.